Hello guys and welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So guys, here I am with a much requested video. So if you have already seen the last video I posted on my channel, which was a DIY flaxseed hair gel. So I made that gel, I kept it in the fridge for the 2 weeks, I tried it on continuously for the 2 weeks and I'm going to share my results with all of you. So guys, I have figured out there are 3 ways of using this gel, this amazing gel. So the number 1 is use this hair gel as a hair mask before you go for the hair wash. I've seen people raving about it on the internet, so I tried it on. I used it as hair mask before shampooing my hair. Honestly, for me, there was not much difference. I would say 10% better. Since I have dry and curly hair, I was expecting nice shine and amazing results. Honestly, there was not a huge difference. I would say I prefer hot oil and hot towel treatment more than this mask. So the number 1 use is not this for me, it's with. So the number 2 is, I tried this hair gel as a curl enhancing cream. As you know, in one of my previous videos, I used this curl enhancing smoothie for my hair. Though it's very natural, still it has lots of chemicals in it. So I wanted to give this hair gel a try. So after head bath and drying my hair naturally, I tried this on my hair and then braided my hair. So in general, whenever I braid my hair to have curls, I leave braids overnight and in the morning I unveil my curls. So even while using this gel, I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna go and sleep nice and tight in my braids and I'll see you guys in the morning. And the next morning, I was completely taken away. I loved the curls and I'm so happy that I tried it to enhance my curls. So it's a big yes for you guys because hair feels really soft, shiny and beautiful. So the third use is, after you wash your hair, use it before you heat style your hair. So I washed my hair like I normally do, shampoo and conditioner. After that, I didn't use any hair serum or any oil on my hair. When my hair was a little damp, I used this as a hair serum. So when my hair was completely dry, I used my straightener to straighten my hair and amazing results. I used it on my scalp as well since it is very good to fight dandruff or any other scalp problems. So after straightening my hair, number 1 is my hair felt super soft. Number 2, super shiny. There was a huge difference and easily spottable. And number 3, and so important, is my hair didn't feel greasy at all, especially the roots. I think after 2nd or 3rd day, oily or a little funny if I straighten my hair. So after using this hair gel, my hair felt non-greasy, fresh for a very long time. I would say definitely 5 days. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please share your feedback. I love reading your comments. And please hit the like button if you found this video useful. And that will encourage me to make more such videos in future. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till the time, keep smiling and I love you all. Bye.